Hey everyone! Welcome back to My Health. If you're into natural remedies and health tips, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about turmeric, the golden spice that's been hailed as a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. You don't want to miss this. So, what's the deal with turmeric? Well, turmeric comes from the root of a plant called Curcumin and has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in India. The real magic, though, comes from an active compound in turmeric called curcumin. This is what gives turmeric its bright yellow color and all those amazing health benefits. Curcumin is a super potent antioxidant and, more importantly, a powerful anti-inflammatory. In fact, studies have shown that curcumin can fight inflammation at the molecular level. It's been compared to some anti-inflammatory medications but without the nasty side effects. Pretty impressive, right? So, what can turmeric actually help with? First off, it's great for reducing joint pain, especially if you deal with arthritis. It's also been shown to improve gut health by calming inflammation in the digestive system. And hey, if you're looking for clearer skin, turmeric can help with that too, thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric may also support your heart health, improve brain function, and there's even research suggesting it could help in the fight against chronic diseases like cancer. It's pretty much a health superhero. So, how can you start using turmeric? It's super easy. You can add it to your smoothies, soups, stir-fries, or even sprinkle it over roasted veggies. Turmeric tea, or golden milk, is another great way to enjoy it, especially if you love a cozy, warm drink. Here's a quick tip: always pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin way better. Some studies say it boosts absorption by up to 2000%. So, if you want to get the most out of turmeric, don't forget the pepper. Turmeric is more than just a spice, it's a natural anti-inflammatory hero that can do wonders for your body. Whether you're looking to ease joint pain, improve your gut health, or just give your immune system a boost, turmeric is definitely worth adding to your routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to My Health for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.